Sanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. We've all heard that famous line. So what does this have to do with protecting your agency or command against breaches? Despite decades of best efforts to defend against cyber attacks using perimeter and identity-based security tactics, adversaries continue to breach federal networks. The threat of attacks has never been higher, and the need to improve cyber resilience has never been more pressing. It's time to stop the insanity. For federal agencies and commands, this means it's time to prioritize preventing the spread and minimizing the impact of breaches with zero trust segmentation and microsegmentation. Here's how. To protect your network, you need to know what is going on. How are applications and workloads communicating? Traditional network segmentation tools leave you with critical blind spots. Zero trust segmentation provides a real-time map of all communications and traffic across the entire hybrid attack surface. Granular controls are necessary for segmentation, from protecting high-value applications down to individual processes on a workload. This is key to stopping the lateral movement of a breach and keeping your agency or command up and running. Zero trust segmentation avoids the risks, costs, and complexities of re-architecting your network and deploying more firewalls. Agencies and commands can build a zero trust architecture faster and meet federal mandates quicker. Find your zero trust sanity and build cyber resilience with Illumio. Contact us to learn more about how zero trust segmentation, including microsegmentation, can help your agency or command.